Ewishan for aha Ghana TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime I post a video, bit say where we some be. Chese nipa ba kwa or NDC ma. Chese we ne den said the way or tia no tea.
Responsible government have done so.
Minister,
no, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this.
Minister,
Please, I am on the floor,
Minister,
Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point.
Chese ne subino. I mean, I don't know. I've not seen any human being we're into public office. Now, despite say we're into public office, no matter like as a on person sister, right? Or yeah, Diana Nkrofo kase debut ekoe adia we no enye ebe ya enye sa we minister of state wa by never power nema bi wo ho at this stage you know is not expected of you say obey biom and blah 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 the more who can I say usuna me no more just say you tell him not to do one thing he goes and does worse. And Sam George, we are minister of state. You are not any longer just an MP for Ningofo. Even being an MP for Ningofo, Krana, a big deal. A big deal. I don't know why Sam George just cannot show that aura. Ana mean kwa. Because me dem you want me to ask you. We a minister. You've gone before a committee of parliament. Committee no enye wo na wo chairman wo ho. Committee no chairman wo committee nim. And the chairman no the law emrano and a pese for that very committee a public accounts committee there. The chairman should come from the opposing and I say the opposition so that the documents can be scrutinized. What about in that committee name? In some man who here because anytime some George check who camera any microphone pe na jimuni say or person on making NPP and popular. And the moment a man a chance pe you started the usual antics, you know. Right? Now committee chairperson na catch us say there be o. And yes say ni say na say call a person in fact proceedings no. And ye be ya catch us. Wo catch committee chairman and say manin kasa ji say wo kasa wi. Wo we who are appear before committee no. Ma committee chairman and kasa. Manin kasa. As say una we Sam George. We've over I think say Ningo, the people of Ningo must do us a favor. Now, even let's assume say NDC now every winning Ningo de bia. NDC for money candidate bia bioma. Mati say iti mensa e woni Ningo for say sa papa mudibano ahumaswo 24/7. You can 24-hour ahumaswa. Iti mensa warning mo enyesa. But despite the warning, no, still muko ma. And today we are all reaping the fruit. Go for mon boy. Now there ahumaswa we there jale. There be. Enye. It is unbecoming of a statesman. Yes, statesman cry of a minister of state. Paid with our taxes. And because you are paid with our taxes, we have every right on earth to demand a certain standard when it comes to behavioral standard from you. Enough is enough, Sam George. Ebusian for still pamucho mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, number no was screen so wait me up boy kitwa bianswa, right? kindly help us as we do it. And we'll be proud. We'll all be proud of how far we have come as a family.
Private businesses are about making profits, and those profits they paid to you over 8 years at the finance ministry as corporate taxes. Policy decision and policy leadership ought to make sure that we took steps to protect the customer. And I'm saying that we, under this reset agenda and under a responsible government, have done so.
Minister,
no, Honorable, I'm also a member of Parliament. Don't do this. You don't have. You don't. Please, I am on the floor,
Minister,
Honorable.
I understand.
Let me make my point. No, you won't heckle me. Don't play sentiment.
You, but we beg
Chairman, until and unless policy decision is making, Honorable, you need to rein in the Honorable member. She's being unruly.
No,
you are being unruly. Please, this is unbecoming of a member of Parliament. Please, stop doing this.
Listen, you don't have the floor.
No, I have the floor. No, you have asked me a question. I have the floor. You will let me answer the question.
Minister.
No, you will let me answer the question. No, you won't do that, Abena. You won't do that today. Let me finish.
Minister, respect me.
Let me finish.
This is our committee.
No,
you don't tell us what you want to do.
But you've not brought me here to talk down on me as well.
Nobody's doing that.
No, I listen to you.
Minister,
go on. You listen to me as well.
Respectfully.
We have asked them to roll out. We have asked them.
Respectfully, can you turn off your mic?
The chair gave me the floor, please.
Minister.
Minister. Honorable, don't do this.
This is our committee. Minister, respectfully, I understand.
So if it's your committee, then don't invite us. But if you invite
Minister,
us, you ask us a question.
Minister,
so if you ask us a question, you listen to us as well.
Minister,
it's not a monologue.
Respectfully.
So respectfully, let me land.
We will let you land. Just a minute.
Sites.
Minister, respectfully, we will let you land. Minister, we are not coming to repeat anything. Respectfully, we will let you land. Please. When you come here and we address issues, it is not that we want to talk anybody down. Never. You and I, we go beyond this. We go beyond this. It is not that we want to talk anybody down. But Minister, the situation is serious. And that is all the sentiments I'm trying to carry across.
And that's the point I'm making. We've given a policy direction in January. On the back of our policy direction, MTN is rolling out 800 new sites. Telecel is rolling out 350 new sites. Between those two companies, you see 1,150 new sites. However, that's why I said to you that this is engineering and not sentiment. When you ask an MNO to roll out a new site, there are steps that have to be taken. First and foremost, you need to do the acquisition of the site. Then you need to then make the requisition for the radio equipment and the cell site. Those are not things that are, for want of a better phrase, in a supermarket that you just go and buy. You place an order with an OEM. The regulator, the NTA, is going through this process. Most of the MNOs are receiving their BTA devices between July and August. So yes, we have made the request. We have asked them to take the steps. They have taken the steps. But it takes time for the equipment to arrive in the country. And when the equipment arrives and they roll out the improvement, you would see the improvement in the network. But we cannot sit here. After 10 years of failing to take action, someone is taking action, and then you say that you want to see it as quickly as possible.
How many of the sites are they building this year?
This year, MTN is doing 800 new sites.
Okay.
Telecel is doing 350 new sites. Okay. So we're looking at 1,150 new sites this year. And I'm saying to you that over the last 10 years, from 2016,
yes,
the average has been 223 sites per year. And so if this year we are doing 1,150, we are doing a 500% increase to try and cover. And that's why I'm saying that, yes, we all go through the challenge. But I'm saying to you that you cannot will some of these things into being with a snap of a finger. It takes time. And so I'm saying that we gave that order in the first quarter of this year.
Minister.
It will take about 3 to 6 months. I am confident that by the end of Q3 going into Q4, we would see a remarkable improvement in the network.
Especially omo mudo abro any beans any atoko any those miamano. Na on se sabre na buffer stock you very active. Enti more town omo mudo abro power ewo Ghana and bebre na free Bono East Atebubu Amanten Ejura area mu ho no. Me wife free Atebubu nti no. Eya na sabi o nem na busuafo no dobi. Akufo-Addo time no a bro bag bag back when 1,200 12 it is kind of 12 million because udo wie ya number fast stock for abeto no alcohol do enti na ekuafo no omo wanije ene ahokeka omo di do aburo no beans nso so one bag Akufo-Addo time no omo ton 2,800 cedis otoya beans no mpo de o started do na obetumi na baba stock for a discount beto ase na chese ahokeka ne sika amanfo boys yi bebre na kro this atebubu training college ni this bebre na do aburo ni bi omo do beans ni bi na omo de hwe omo ho enti batene omo do the same aburo no ene bro bag ba ko atebubu ukuta 300 a obenye bi ato eno kula na omo nto beans na Akufo-Addo to is on 2,800 nene eye 600 500 omo nya tofo misi maami ambrewa bi wado beans adi egu atebubu dan mu more than 300 bars nyina essay nti na no kura Sanja Nanja MP for the area ho oba radio so beka video no wo TikTok nyina ya hwebi ono ya ndisi ni o wase ni mpanifo no jo mahama onye bibi mfa ho because manfo no moto abama omo no edwuma omo ya no okwa atebubu okwa manten okwa adwira okwa yeji area mo ho nyina omo yekuafo ebro atokwo emo ena beans ene saniama ni nyina yentobium because bafa stock ni yegu no ena this time around abai ni crowd those nyama bebre na free Brazil enti Ghana for de na oma dona nka ombeto na Ghana for na nye sika na ebenya ebehye omu nkran no matumi adobium no ene odo a wadobi afiwe yanto eden na be hye nkran ama obesa akwakotobium na ayro hosam ne se nuama ye de do sa nuama ni nyina so ne bo kwa na ekoso fertilizer ye de do esekan warranty boot we decide bibia ne bo no ekosoro enso ade na odo a yento enti ye de ka kire nkrofo bebre se wo sika kakra eduane tobi fesie ebro emo beans tobi fesie because afiwe ekuafo no so omo ndo bium enti de kire ne se next year no ekombeba because afibia no ye do a ene eduane ne bu a ena ye benya bi ato afiwe wado yanto enti next time onye skakra na odi akodobium enti your mama mamu we die anohye na yenum yetiti sebi wo mo tutututu kwan wa brochire ni yenum yetiti nkra wo mu say ye dende enso no obe feel kra wo feel it is omo na no na adwuma omo ye ya me di me hu set example me papa sebi no ekoko kuani wo wu ye no wo de kakra omo che kakra ma ye 8 November 2025 and I carry me cocoa 14 bars. Tama ya carry ye no. Now one bag ya 3,687 cedis. And I carry cocoa no. Next can ya 56,000 cedis. And ever pim na me no kase sikano akam yentu aye. Na usawo cocoa growing area na I always say enye koko kuafo no krampo na se so mo problem koko kuafo no de mo problem ne se ya koko ya kare ye nyesi o man tua ye ka anase ya ti koko ye ntumi enya babi na obi akari amaye na akrachefo na o ma gi koko no afi koko kuafo no ho no aban no akoka kire koko kuafo no se ye diskana makrachefo no enti mo nkoji musika. Meanwhile, abandon so first canon koye. And a time, yababe tikoko no sono. Onza joma ama kojina baby can say yababe tukoko no. enti akrachifo no bi kɔbɔ obosia ebi kɔgi loan eto cocoa no ehodo ye mi ma to cocoa da say ye bebie cocoa na se ne ye ne say aban no be nazi new price of cocoa a eya na wo ye krachi ni a wo ska otumi to bi gu ho because sa emprempren na ye nya ntu mu no kwani ni bi wo ho a ni ba be ko school o peska ko tua school fees enti no wate cocoa ni bi enti opesa eno no odi o carry ne enimani mu na no ogi sika on person between new price no enti we krachi ni a those time no obe to those cocoa no wo de si ho time ajo mama kan so beti cocoa so beto no 7,000 no cocoa kuafo ni bi krachi fo ni bi koji bosia eto cocoa no bi ho do ye thinking says on komutuma on benya new price no ana aban na beti so krachi ni bi a area mu ho a ba bi mi papa cocoa fu ewe otumi to cocoa 2,000 bucks amanfo bosia akwaji o se nko mutuma na nkwanya faso no ana ban na teso de tia ne se cocoa bag back bia no krachi ni na boka 1,100 for times 2,000 bucks we are talking about 22 million Ghana cedis abosa aka no enti akrachi fo mu dwane omo hye omo ho akonfo omo a omo japade omo kokofo kakra no bia akọ sheka mu ai bebre enti amamu ni de maame na yenya opportunity bi ba se nke beto abane a nka NDC menya so menya be 10% impo ba yin nyina ne se yen ka ehumbom na yamua Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia amamu wei se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enenkete so a nka menya sure se obi bedo ni beans ya nto obi bedo bro ana cocoa ya bete so da bi da because nana do ba no yeti cocoa bo so nanso so ene me ne o ka sei I'm say the voice wa ha obetumi a confirm oh me ne o ka say cocoa price no I started costro eso te ya ba $3,000 and I no pay me check here no and I bear $4,200 kwa na esa cost na so say ya tumu ni de you know aban no enkase ya tumu ntimi betumo ya te so no de was international market about for to abete so na so no ya tumu no we mia na no e na wafanfa so no enti eye sisie bi a aban no ya aye nyina no ese ka ho asem na ye bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi don na ye timi ebeji tumi 2028 mame